Cursed be the man who brought tidings to my father.
You see, cursed be also the person that comes and says, happy birthday. Read.
Saying, a man child is born unto thee.
You see, a man child is born unto thee. So if you go to someone's birthday, you wish them happy birthday, God says, cursed be that man or woman. So now, let's hear what the Most High God has to say about that. Read.
The book of Jeremiah, chapter 20, verse 14.
Read.
Cursed be the day wherein I was born.
You see, so the Most High says, cursed be the day wherein I was born. So, according to the Bible, we're not supposed to celebrate birthdays. Read.
Let not the day wherein my mother bare me be blessed.
You see, let not the day wherein my mother bare me be blessed. Because today, our people, whenever it's the day when you were born, you want people to worship you. You want people to bless you and bring you gifts. But the Most High God says, cursed be the day wherein you were born. You must not celebrate that day. Read.
Cursed be the man who brought tidings to the father.
You see, cursed be everyone that wishes you happy birthday. Because right here, through the mouth of Jeremiah, the prophet, God is telling us to say that even the people that are bringing you birthday presents, cursed be those people. Read.
Cursed be the man who brought tidings to the father.
The tidings today goes into when it's someone's birthday, you say happy birthday. God is against that. According to the Bible, you're not supposed to celebrate my birthday or Easter. Because today our people make birthdays such a big thing. And when you are celebrating birthdays, you are breaking God's commandments. Read.
Saying, a man child is born unto thee, making him very glad.
You see, because people today, when it's your birthday, you want people to make you happy. But God is saying, cursed be that day. You must not celebrate that day. Because if you do, you are breaking God's commandments. Is that on that? Read.
And let that man be as the cities which the Lord overthrew, and repented not.
You see, so if you don't repent, the Most High God says you will be destroyed the same way as the Most High God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah. Because Sodom and Gomorrah, yes, they were famous for what? They were famous for whoredom. They were famous for what? For homosexuality. But another thing that was also big in Sodom and Gomorrah was idolatry. So now the Most High God says, if you continue to celebrate your birthdays and you don't repent, you will be destroyed the same way God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah. Read.
And let him hear the cry in the morning and the shouting at noontide.
You see, so brothers and sisters, you're not supposed to celebrate your birthday. Now, give me that in Isaiah 65 verse 11.
The book of Isaiah, chapter 65 verse 11. But ye are they that forsook the Lord.
So God is saying, we, the children of Israel, we forsake the Lord. And when we forsake the Lord, what do we worship? We worship idols. We go into idolatry. Read.
That forget my holy mountain.
We forget the holy mountain. The holy mountain is Jerusalem. Read.
That prepare a table for that truth.
You see, so now God here is addressing the birthday. He's saying you prepare a table for a troop. A troop is a group of people. Because during your birthday, what do, my brother? I carry you buy a cake and then you say you are hosting. And then the people, they must come to your house and come with gifts. So the Most High God says, cursed be the man that celebrates his birthday, and the people that come to wish you happy birthday, God says, cursed be those people also. Read.
And that furnish the drink offering.
You see, because during your birthday, what do? You buy drinks, people come, they drink, and they eat. So God says, cursed be you and those people. Read.
And that furnish the drink offering unto that number.
You see, you furnish a drink offering unto that number. Because during your birthday, what happens? You will do what? They will put a number on top of the cake to say, no, he's turning 21. or but no, he's sweet 16, or no, he's turning 35. They put the number 35. So now God is saying, as a people, we furnish a table and we offer drink offerings unto a number. Because you growing up is just a number. It's just you adding a number to your years. It's not a day to be celebrated. Read that verse again.
The book of Isaiah, chapter 65, verse 11. But ye are they that forsake the Lord.
You see, God is saying, we forsake the Lord and we worship ourselves. Because during your birthday, you want people to worship you. Bella, you are not a God when. So when you want people to worship you, you are making yourself a God. You want to be worshipped because it's your birthday. God says, cursed be that birthday. You must not celebrate your birthday. Go back to Jeremiah 20 verse 14 for the young girls. Because today our people, we break God's commandments unaware. Because we just think, no, it's just an innocent birthday celebration. Guess what? It is not. Read.
The book of Jeremiah, chapter 20, verse 14. Cursed be the day wherein I was born.
You see, this is the mindset we must have against the birthday. God says, cursed be the day wherein I was born. Read.
Let not the day wherein my mother bare me be blessed.
You see, let not the day wherein your mother gave birth to you be blessed. So God is saying you must not celebrate your birthday. Because if you're celebrating your birthday, you are making yourself a God. Because now you want people to come and worship you. Because you say, no, today is my day. There's no such thing as today is my day. Because if you say today is my day, you are breaking Exodus 20 verse 3. Read that. Exodus 20. This is the law that you are breaking when you say today is my day. It's my birthday.
The book of Exodus, chapter 20, verse 3. Thou shalt have no other gods before me.
You see, God says we must not have other gods before Him. But during a person's birthday, people want to be worshipped. People want to be idolized. People want you to come to their house and wish them happy birthday. They want you to send SMSs to them. They want you to buy gifts unto them. They want you to bring drink offering to them. But God says you're not supposed to do that. Read.
Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image, or any likeness of anything.
You see, the graven image that is made during a birthday celebration is the birthday cake with a number on top of it. Because now God is saying we go all out, we furnish a table, and then you bring drink offerings and you come to worship a number. Because when you are growing up, you are just adding a number to your years. Why are you worshiping a number? Why must you now worship a number? That is the graven image. Read.
That is in heaven above, or that is in the earth beneath, or that is in the waters under the earth.
Read on.
Thou shalt not bow down to thyself to them.
You see, so God says you must not worship idols. One of the idols is birthdays. Birthday celebration is against God's commandments. You're not supposed to celebrate your birthdays. Because during that time, you're making yourself an idol. Now go back to Jeremiah.
The book of Jeremiah, chapter 20, verse 14. Cursed be the day wherein I was born. Let not the day wherein my mother bare me be blessed.
You see, let not the day when your mother gave birth to you be blessed. Don't want people to come to you and say happy birthday. God is saying let not that day be blessed. So as a people, this is one of the biggest laws we are breaking, idolatry. And we are doing it at the birthday. Because you'll say, no, it's my child's birthday. I'm going to do a sweet 16 for my child. You are breaking God's commandments if you do that. And the people that wish you happy birthday, they are also partaking in breaking God's commandments. Read.
Cursed be the man who brought tidings to my father.
You see, cursed be also the person that comes and says, happy birthday. Read.
Saying, a man child is born unto thee.
You see, a man child is born unto thee. So if you go to someone's birthday, you wish them happy birthday, God says, cursed be that man or woman. Read.
making him very glad.
You see, because during birthdays, people want to be made glad. If you don't say happy birthday, they get angry. They want you to worship them and make them glad. God says, cursed be that day wherein you were born. That day must not be celebrated according to the Bible. Read.
And let that man be as the stitches which the Lord overthrew.
You see, so God says, if you celebrate birthdays, you and the people that come and wish you happy birthday, you will be destroyed the same way God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah.